It is another beautiful day in the beautiful city of Lagos. I'm your boy Joel back again on the wheel. How have you been? I believe we are all cool. Well, we just have to continue from where we stopped from our last class on web design. We learned that web designing has several terminologies we employ, and we have to be very spectacular with the ergonomics, with the layouts, with the palettes, with the theme, with the templates that we have to use for the website. But many of you may be wondering now, why should I even continue with this series that I will be uploading on a weekly basis? Wow. Let's look at your first 3 months of this year 2020, January, February, March. Every morning you wake up, you snap your hair, you snap your face. You are uploading them and downloading them on your phone, WhatsApp, Telegram, and other social media. Do you know that by now your phone has been filled up to capacity and you are deleting some to accommodate new ones? Yes. But if you have been able to create a website or one page website or a blog and uploading your phone on it, by now you have had followers following you online, and before long, you could be making money from that website or blog. That is the essence for why I want to be taking you through this series. And please tell a friend and tell that friend to tell another friend. If you can tell 3 people, and each of those 3 people tell another 3 people about this particular series I'm uploading, then we are making this world a better place. Just remember, tell 3 people to subscribe, and those 3 people should tell other 3 people each to subscribe. Before you know it, we'll go around, right? It's a borrowed philosophy. So today I shall be taking you through the web design packages. We have a lot of them, like the iWeb. iWeb is owned by Apple, and it's the data center is in Canada. I love it very well because of its WYSIWYG facility, but it is paid. We have the Microsoft front page, Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Photoshop, Evernote, Web Plus. We have WordPress, Bootstrap, Wix, Canva, Squarespace, GIMP, Vectri, etc. So each of these packages has special roles. So I'm there to design banner that you will use, design templates, and picture sizes, even video that you upload to your website, while others are specialized on hosting services and domain name creation. So whichever one you choose, all of them will work to the purpose of creating a website. And some of them are free, some are paid for, while some have free package and paid package. For today, we shall be going to one of the packages, WordPress. Please, I am not advertising, but I'm taking also WordPress for a reason. The reason is that WordPress is very friendly. You can use this without the knowledge of CSS, of knowledge of coding, without the knowledge of HTML. All you do is what customize it to what you want. And we are going to go to WordPress.com, not .org, because .org, that is where you can download and upload and set to your own taste. But this one is going to be what hosted by WordPress and everything on WordPress website. At this point in time, let's see what we can do on WordPress and do one or two things here. They are telling us to log in. Let me see. Have I logged in before? Have I logged out before? Okay. Remember, at the time we are going to spend here will be determined by the network that is operational. Okay. I have to do something in your presence now because we are talking from starting from the scratch. So look at where we are. WordPress. Anywhere we are. So if you don't have if you have a email, remember you need an email. That's another thing I forgot to talk about. You need an email for you to be able to create a website. If you don't have an email, please do before you talk about that. So if you are just starting, you go to get started and see what it will give you. So you see, I have an email already. I'm already on WordPress. This email I'm going to use is for the purpose of tutoring. You can see I had if I had a new account, I just want to a new email, I want to start a new account, I'll put my email here, choose a username, use the password, I will create my account. But I already have my account. So for that now, just see what it will tell me to do. We have Boo the Great at yahoo.com. and they will tell me that I already have an account. You see, good. So I have to log in because I have created an account there. But for you, what do? You create an account before you get to this stage. So I have to log in now. Let's see what will happen. They want my password. I should tell you. I should tell you my password. Oh, wait. Next year I will tell you. Okay. So it is loading. Oops, that's not correct because I didn't want anybody to see it. Okay, that's what we have there. Let's see what will happen now. Express yourself. Yes, we have come. So what is the name of the website we want to create now? We want to create my phone page. I don't. Should I save it? No, I don't want to save. I don't save anything. I don't try it. Anything can happen. My phone page. Our recommendation, that's a recommendation, but we don't need it. Let's use this free one because we are not paying for anything to help us to go to where we are going to without much ado. We have got here now. You see, these personal, premium, business, e-commerce. All of them have various role to play. They are different paid package, but we are going because we are learning. Start with a free site. Good. It's loading. Let's see what it will tell us. While I play some music at the background. Good. Your website has been created. Do you see that? Yes. So all we need to do now is to start working on the site. I like using WP admin very well. So let me go to WP admin where I can have total control of my dashboard. That is where I should be. So we have seen it now. Let's go to pages. Um, when you visit a house, someone is living in a flat, where do you get to first? City room, right? Good. So our city room here is our home page. What people see when they come to your website is your home page. You should make it to be the static page. So your home page is very, very important. So let's see if we want to edit this to what we want to see. We want to edit our whole page now. Let's try to see something. If it's editable, wow, it's taking us to something somewhere else. We want to edit it. While we're waiting for network. So you can see it on this where we have the expressions now. We have to edit this page. So for us to edit this page, these are the tools you need to edit. If you want any tool, you come here, you edit, right? Let's edit here. Welcome to where are we going to? Welcome to my form page, right? Okay, we come here. We have to edit that place too. Okay, we don't need that. We don't need that. Go back. Go back. Okay. Now this is where we are. We want to edit this place. It's editing we are doing, right? Now by editing it, we say that I is too much I will write network. I will be entertaining you with my daily looks. Good. You're going to be step by step. The design we are working on today will be on step by step approach. So look at what we have done. I can start to change the color if I want to. If I don't want to change the color, fine. But let me leave this one this way. The other place now is to tell you about me. What do I have to tell you about me? I can tell you about me by editing this. Introduce yourself. Should I edit this? Okay, they say it's on default, but we don't want it on default. We can easily edit it. So let's see what we can do. Before we leave here, please don't forget, once you change anything on the page or blog post, always come here and update. Let's update that first before I can do another thing so that it will not take us back to where we are coming from. So I have to update that one now. Page updated. So let's see what the website will look like when we now visit the site. Preview. Preview on what? In the new tab on the desktop. Good. This is your user interface. This is what people will see when they visit your site. Welcome to your new website, right? I will be entertaining you with my daily looks. So which means something was wrong somewhere. The first thing I did not work. So we have to come back here and edit this. Welcome to my form page. So you see, if we did not check it, we would have known that it did not affect my form page, right? Good. So you update now and see what will happen. While this one is updating, you come here and refresh this page and see the effect there. Just wait. Look, playboy, I don't need a carty. I'm captain, I lead the army. Bad ratio, I leave the party. Free Somalis, creeping on me. Your ex-wavy, we tsunami. Girl from India, sweetest. Good now, speak Gujarati. You pardon me, I'm locked. The network is somehow slow here. That's why my phone page is not affecting. That is what it would have been like if we were to do what we are doing. Um, that's on the first one. Introduce new sessions. We are not going there now. So what you need to do is just go through all this. Remember I told you can change the colors. If you want to change the colors, you don't want to change the color, fine. Welcome to my front page. Update if you want to. You can change the color if you want to. Background color, you can book background color to be something different depending on what you want it to be. No problem about that. So let's see if we refresh this page, if there will be any effects. See if we're gonna have any effects here. Oh, okay, it's my preview. It's a preview we generated. So we generated a preview. I guess that is where the issue is. So let's preview it again now and see what the new tab. The new tab is a preview. So let's see what we're going to see there. Is that so? This is our office where we work. It's our backyard. That is the user interface. When people visit our site, they will see. Welcome to my front page. I'll be entertaining you. So all these ones we can easily what edit them. So how do we edit all these? Watch out. Remember where we stopped. In our next class, I shall take us through how we edit the home page, put what we need there, and continue. Till then, have a nice day.